How to solve this issue? I am trying to solve the installing the graphic driver. The issue is first time failed. After this failed, I have tried one. Check how many times tries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That many times. I have 7 times tries but failed. But now checking, the driver has been installed fine. So how it's work? Check the solution here. I have downloading this. So this is the solution. Another people face the same issue. So issue is this, and solution they provided. Download the latest version. So download it, then exact like this is my, so exact by this. From here, just extract here. So all file is showing here. Then click checking the file name is this file name. So this file is check where is this file. That's mean this file name is Z. Clicking the name and so this file. So download the extension. So click the Windows and put device manager. Click this here. Display adapter, click and put here, click and right side click and properties, go to the properties. Here click driver, here click update driver, and here put the, here you have to go to define the folder name. Just put folder name is this. So then click next, automatically this, then close this, automatically install it. So now we have installed. Check here our install. So when you refresh the space, check I have already installed it. Check showing the your software is up to date. That means I have installed it. It's fine. So available update is nothing. Available update is nothing. So thank you. In this way you can solve this issue.